Lilong United Club Lingkhatkhibagi Chahi Mapung Farakpagi Ahanba Mapok Kumon Thouram ngasi Lilong HAOREIBI College ki multipurpose hall da PANGTHOKHIBAGA LOINANA MITHOI MIHENBA MAHEIROI SINGSU TARAMNA OKHRE ngasi ki Thouram aduda DC Thobal Hanakamai IAS Additional SP OPS and Suras Lilong HAOREIBI College ki Principal Professor MD Satar Saha Mukti MD Sabir Saha Kwasmi Nazemi Talimat Darul Yatama Lilong Ifam Hemant Kumar Ningombam Editor Wild Kati Amadi Thobal District Kabadi Association ki Secretary MD Ayuf Ali Elias Oza Sana Tomba Amadi Lilong United Club ki Convener Sajat Buyamayum na Athoiba Mitunglen Oina Saruk Yaki Thouram aduga mari lenana Lilong United Club ki Convener Sajat Buyamayum na haikibada Lilongi organization mayam punsilaga Lilong United Club asi safong lakpani tongan ba internal threat external threat mayam amadi anti social oiba thabak thoram kayada yawi haibagi threaten mayam lerakpadagi Lilongi organization mayam punsilaga manungda leiriba amotpa mayam sengdoknaba club asi lingkhatkhibni haina phongdokhe
Koigi Ladiba, Koigi Manunga Ladiba, Amot Pamotaka, Kudimaxo, Kudimana, Sengokwa Matautai. Second thing, Koigi Ladiba, external threat ma'am today. I couldn't defend the one. So far, Koigi Ladiba, Koigi anti social activity ma'am today. I and Logi Oba, Tabu Kolamsing Adum Changin Channel, Madugumba, Logi Oba. Thabuk thoram sing lokhala pa matam haibade khoi police department ki leiriba army ki kai ki leiriba mayam sina changchilak pa lokhala pa khomthang gudi makta khoi Lilong United Club na mapung na khoi ki support pira kanda khoi ki Lilong ki praja khudi mak backup pira ga khoi admana leigane haibe pandam du dai khoi thola kibne khoi ki manipur kanbada manipur bu safe tawbada manipur bu ahong ba chawkhat pa leba ama pura pada Lilong ki praja khudi mak na mapung me thodang logane haibe ki wakhalon du